ANYOYO 80Gbps per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Turn your SSD into a lightning bolt. Feeling stuck with slow file transfers? Frustrated by external drives that throttle speed and make editing, gaming, or data transfers a nightmare? You're not alone. Professionals and power users everywhere battle bottlenecks, overheating, and sluggish SSD enclosures. It's exhausting, wastes precious time, and zaps your focus, leaving even simple tasks feeling like climbing a never-ending digital mountain. The pain multiplies when deadlines loom. Waiting minutes for multi-gigabyte video projects, datasets, or game libraries to copy can crush your workflow, increase stress, and risk missed opportunities. Lagging drives create a creeping frustration that chips away at focus and motivation. Every second spent waiting is a moment of productivity lost, and every thermal throttling spike feels like a silent punch to your efficiency. Enter the ANYOYO 80Gbps per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure with cooling fan, the ultimate solution for ultra-fast external storage. With the JHL9480 chip, it delivers up to 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, moving 6 gigabytes of data in just 1 second, and up to 6,000 megabytes per second in real-world tests. Its aluminum alloy body with active cooling fan intelligently maintains peak performance, turning high-speed SSDs into reliable external beasts. Tool-free installation means you can swap drives in seconds, with no drivers or software required. One professional video editor shared, "I edited 8K footage directly from this enclosure with 0 dropped frames. My workflow was instantly transformed." Compatible with Thunderbolt 5, 4, 3, USB 4, and M.2 or B+M.2 SSDs, it supports 2230, 2242, 2260, 2280 SSDs, and storage up to 8 terabytes. From gaming consoles to MacBook Pros, its plug-and-play simplicity meets high-octane speed, eliminating bottlenecks and turning any workspace into a productivity powerhouse. The benefits are undeniable: mind-blowing transfer speeds, rock-solid reliability, and a premium aluminum design that keeps your SSD cool even under marathon workloads. Experts rave. Sustained read and write speeds saturate the connection, no performance penalty, and active cooling fan ensures consistent, reliable performance. Influencers report sequential speeds that were unthinkable a year ago. Tool-free installation is a dream. Users echo the sentiment. My Gen 4 SSD transfers that took minutes now take seconds, and plug-and-play on my MacBook Pro, speed instantly blew me away. Imagine editing 8K raw footage, transferring multi-terabyte datasets, or loading massive game libraries without waiting. Thunderbolt 5, USB 4, and backward compatibility with USB 3.x ensure seamless performance across PCs, Macs, and tablets. The enclosure's fan automatically manages heat, but can be manually toggled for heavy workloads. Durable aluminum construction feels premium and keeps devices safe from throttling. Whether content creation, gaming, or high-performance computing, this enclosure transforms external storage into an internal drive-level powerhouse, giving pros and enthusiasts alike freedom, speed, and reliability they didn't think was possible. Don't wait. Limited stock is moving fast. Join professionals, gamers, and creators who've unleashed blazing 80 gigabits per second speeds with the ANYOYO M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Secure yours today and stop wasting time on slow drives or thermal throttling. Plug, play, and experience ultra-fast transfers, effortless installation, and rock-solid reliability like never before. Upgrade your workflow, conquer massive files, and feel the instant satisfaction of true high-speed storage. Act now. Your SSD deserves this performance boost.